On the second weekend in May, the town of Stilwell, Oklahoma becomes alive with its annual Strawberry Festival. As the county seat for Adair County, the town boasts the highest concentration of Cherokee Nation citizens in the country. Strawberries hold a special significance for Cherokee people as a tool of reconciliation. The strawberry's origin stems from a quarrel that separated the first man and the first woman. In an attempt to reunite the couple, the Creator grew the first patch of ripened strawberries in the path of the woman as she departed. The woman was so impressed with the delicious fruit that she was compelled to reconcile with her husband in order to share them with him. Strawberry farming gained popularity in Adair County during the Great Depression. Locals discovered that strawberries thrived in the rocky soil and at one point planted more than 2,000 acres in the area. Stilwell strawberries were soon sought out for their sweet flavor and unique dark coloration. Strawberry growing became so essential to the local economy, the school year revolved around the growing season. Classes ended in April so that children could help pick strawberries for the coming harvest in May. In her article, Oklahoma Springtime, Stilwell columnist Ellen Workman reminisced about her time as a young strawberry picker. She wrote, "It was not only work, a way to help pay for school clothes for the following year. It was also an important part of our social life. In our childhood circles, everybody who was anybody picked strawberries." In 1948, community organizers created the first Stilwell Strawberry Festival to promote one of the town's most important resources. The event was a massive success. The following year, the Oklahoma State Legislature passed a resolution declaring Stilwell the strawberry capital of the world. Every spring since, the festival kicks off with a Saturday morning parade through downtown Stilwell. Decorative floats make up the bulk of the parade, with many of them representing Cherokee people, culture, and Cherokee-owned businesses. Also participating in the parade is the Strawberry Queen, who serves as a spokesperson for the day's events. Like the competition to determine which local farmer can claim to have grown the year's best strawberries. The championship crate consistently brings in anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 for the farmer. Strawberry Festival weekend became so popular over the years, other attractions were tacked on and are now synonymous with the festival: a carnival, rodeo, and the renowned Bell Powwow. Much as the first strawberry patch reunited the first man and woman, for many Cherokees, the annual Stilwell Strawberry Festival is more than a tradition. It's also a reunion. The event draws more than 30,000 visitors every year. Cherokee Nation citizens from all over return to visit with friends and relatives and enjoy the sweet taste of the local strawberries.